Happy holidays from KEM Solutions. Welcome back to our Advent Calendar series celebrating all that makes Truckmate and Windows merry and bright. Today, we'll unwrap a few handy keyboard shortcuts that will save you time and keep your workflow smooth. These tips are like the gifts that keep on giving, useful across different parts of Truckmate with some tailored to specific applications. Let's join Buddy the Elf as he uses these shortcuts to navigate his Truckmate experience with speed and holiday cheer. Buddy begins his day in order entry at Santa's Trucking Company. As an elf, Buddy values efficiency, and he prefers to keep his hands on the keyboard to get things done faster. Here are his favorite shortcuts. When he has to insert a new record, press Ctrl plus Insert to avoid clicking the plus button at the top of the screen. He can tab through the fields in his customer service screen to enter all his details. If tabbing through fields isn't working as expected, check the screen design's tab sequence. When he's done, he can save his changes by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. He can also quickly post an order using Alt plus P. A few other options: view user fields, press Ctrl plus U to see and edit additional data. For notes, Ctrl plus N opens the pop-up notes screen. Open the print screen, use Ctrl plus P, and if you've set a default report from last week's tip, follow up with Alt plus V to view it or Alt plus P to print directly. By combining these shortcuts, it's possible to complete an order from the keyboard. Later, Buddy moves into Dispatch to plan loads. After a morning of staring at his screen, he needs to adjust his view. Increase font size, Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus up arrow. Decrease font size, Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus down arrow. Toggle grids to full screen mode, Ctrl plus F. Optimize trips, press Ctrl plus O. Display the load offer screen, Ctrl plus L. Buddy also uses program-specific shortcuts by recognizing underlined letters on buttons and tabs. Clicking the Alt button and these underlined letters will trigger those sections of the screen. For example, in customer service, Alt plus F opens the Find screen, Alt plus Q saves an order as a quote, Alt plus I opens the Billing tab, and Alt plus T opens the Status tab. Right-clicking fields, such as in AR cash receipts, reveals even more shortcuts tailored to specific tasks. These quick keystrokes add up, saving Buddy precious seconds as he works to get the last Christmas gifts delivered on time. And that wraps up today's tips. Remember, just like Buddy the Elf, you can work smarter, not harder, by embracing these handy shortcuts. As you dash through December, may your Truckmate experience be as smooth as Santa's sleigh on a snowy night. We threw a lot of shortcuts at you today. We also included a list of the shortcuts in the details of this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more tips and tricks. From all of us at KEM Solutions, we wish you a productive and joyful holiday season.